Hi, I'm Sean, and I want to show off something I've been working on for a while now. A modular electronic system that allows you to just snap together the parts you want to create all sorts of interesting projects. But first, why have I been doing this? Well, when the Raspberry Pi first came out, I thought it was incredible. A full computer the size of a credit card. It promised to be the ultimate tool for makers, a hub for endless creativity. But most of the time, mine is just sat in the corner, running as a server. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could just add new electronic modules? All without soldering, rewiring, or tweaking hardware settings. A system where every component connects seamlessly, using the same universal connector. That's why, for the last year, I've been working on these. MakerTiles. To build something, just plug together the tiles you want, connect it to a PC or Raspberry Pi, and start programming. Each tile can be connected directly, or using these cables. They also come with these 3D printable cases, allowing them to be snapped together in any orientation, or even vertically, thanks to these side panels. So here's a little demo. First, we connect up some LED panels, and display some hearts. Then, let's add a dial to set the colour. Let's swap that for a distance sensor to move them around. Now an IMU that detects which way is up. Finally, let's display some notifications from the internet. When it comes to programming, each tile shows up as an object with a friendly interface. So it only takes minutes to create something like this little Etch-a-Sketch. And if you want to make it portable, just add a Raspberry Pi Zero and a battery. So what can you build? For starters, MakerTiles are just fun to play with. You can easily create small projects like a water level animation, an AI poem clock, or some home improvements. And if you're new to coding, it's a great way to learn. Programming feels way more engaging when you're interacting with the physical world. But beyond making electronics fun, MakerTiles opens up new possibilities. They let makers build larger, more ambitious projects, like this AI-powered chessboard I'm currently working on. On top of that, people can then easily share their projects online, the same way we currently share mechanical designs for 3D printing. With MakerTiles, you could share a list of tiles, and anyone could recreate your project. Over the next few months, I'll be making more videos on some of the projects I build, as well as updates. So if you're interested in following this journey, please do like and subscribe. Also, I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. Please let me know if there are any sensors or components you think I should add. Thanks for watching.